In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct a wrong turn in Apple Maps. And it should take just about 5 minutes. We've all been there, relying on a navigation app only to be led astray by incorrect directions. Thankfully, Apple Maps offers a straightforward way for you to report and help correct these mistakes, ensuring better directions for everyone. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through this simple process step by step. To begin with, you'll want to open Apple Maps. So, on your iPhone or iPad, find the Maps app and give it a tap to launch it. With Apple Maps open, you're off to a good start. Now the next step is getting your navigation going for the location that included the incorrect turn. So go ahead and enter your destination into the search bar. Once the route is loaded, start your navigation and follow along until you reach that turn that didn't quite seem right the last time. Now here's where the important bit comes in, identifying that wrong turn. As you follow the route and reach the point where the directions misled you, you'll want to highlight this issue within the app. Scroll down on your screen to reveal an option that says Report an Issue. This function is crucial for communicating the mistake to Apple, enabling them to update their data accordingly. Once you've found the Report an Issue section, tap on it. You'll be prompted to specify the nature of the problem. Choose the option that best describes your situation, whether it's something like wrong direction or maybe something else. Be as accurate as you can with your selection, as this helps Apple's team zero in on the exact issue. Although optional, providing additional details can really make a difference in how effectively the issue is addressed. If you can safely do so, consider adding a photo of the incorrect turn or write a detailed description explaining what went wrong. Detailing the scenario gives Apple further context, which can be incredibly useful for their team when they review the report. Finally, you'll want to submit your report. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. And that's it, you've now played your part in improving Apple Maps for yourself and everyone else who relies on it for directions. Your contribution aids in refining a massive resource and makes traveling a little bit easier for all of us. So remember, by sharing your experience with Apple about these incorrect navigation elements, you're helping enhance the accuracy and reliability of the app. Innovation and improvement rely on collective inputs like yours. Thanks for following along today, and safe travels on all your future adventures.